starting training of our two seasonal drinks, strawberry lemonade and the peach lemonade. We have two kinds of lemonade now. We then have the watermelon syrup, so we'll postpone temporary. When we receive our syrup, we'll launch again that one. Okay. So according to our PPG, strawberry lemonade, there are how we make prepare step by step we have. Okay, we'll start now the filling of ice in the glass. So sorry, please hold it. So how many pieces of ice now?
7 bits.
7 pieces of ice. Okay, we have 7 pieces of ice here. Okay,
Sure.
we'll keep it here. After that,
2 pounds.
2 pump of the lemonade.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll make it 2 pump. 1, 2.
Good.
Let's keep it. So that was 2 pump of lemonade. After that, strawberries, huh?
Yeah.
How many? 30 ml or 3 pumps, huh?
3 pumps.
So we have the measurement here. 30 ml means this one. Okay, this one 20, so this one 30. We'll fill the until 30. Okay. Put it here. After that,
Sprite 240.
240 ml of
Oh, yeah.
like that. This Sprite 240 ml.
This one is how many ml?
320.
That means pour until
No, no.
leave quarter of it.
50
3 pump. Like a 3 pump. 1, 2,
3.
3.
It's 30 ml, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. That's done. Now
Then-
Sprite.
We will put 240 ml Sprite.
Okay. So open it.
240 ml like until here.
Yes. Slowly, slowly. Perfect. Done.
240.
240 also.
Then
Mix it with. Mix.
next first, yeah.
Mix it with. Perfect.
Last, we will add
2 slices of
lemon
lime.
as a garnish
Okay.
and 1 slice of mint.
Put it one more. Put it one more.
Or something.
Hold it.
Now it's ready to serve immediately.
Yes. Hold it like this. What this one? What's the name of this one? Sababais.
Then name
Aywa.
lemon,
Okay.
that fish,
Okay. Voice.
etin okay,
Aywa. Slowly.
okay, so we mix.
مرة كويس.
بعدين 2 حبة ليمون 2 حبة.
ما شاء الله.
خلاص
ايوه بيرفكت. ايش هذا نيمه؟
ليمون 2 حبة.
لا هذا نيم. ايش هذا درينكس نيم؟
اسم المشروب.
مشروب ليمون فيج.
بيتش ليمونيد.
فيج ليمون.
ايوه. اوكي.
2 strawberry and a sprinkle of
1 minute. So
1 minute.
خلاص
Yeah. You need
okay.
to start it before.
خلاص. Now 1, 2, 3 go. Make it.
Okay, 7 cubes of rice.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay. More pieces. Yes.
Okay.
أرسلها لك.
2 cups of cloudy lemonade.
Make it
Oh,
perfectly. 1, 2. Yes.
okay.
Then use the measuring cup here. Yeah.
Okay.
30 ml.
30 ml.
Yes. Yes.
Sandra, is it me? Is it me?
Yeah, man.
Sprite 240 ml.
Yes.
Okay.
ما شاء الله جواله آيفون.
لا مش ايفون.
والله
Is it ايفون؟
أيوة.
من آيفون صح؟
ان شاء الله. شكله احلى احسن.
حلو مرة ما شاء الله. بعدين أنا أشوف كم اشتري
So like a beer.
ريدمي هذا.
Like mixologist.
Yes.
Okay, where's our spoon to start?
ما شاء الله. You want to look like you.
Yes.
Perfect.
Put some.
That's good.
2 strawberry.
Strawberry, okay.
هذا من
Nice.
marga.
मर गया था कोई सी.
هذا good? Okay.
Yes.
أيوة.
Yeah, perfect. Sure.
Wow. Friends.
Yes. What is name?
Strawberry lemonade.
Very
Good for summer.
Yes.
Perfect for
Okay.
summer drink.
Now Hadil make other pieces. Now we'll mix it. This one we'll mix it perfectly. Sir?
2 slices strawberry. 1 mint. Serve immediately.
Mint here. Chop off that. This one, okay. So
MashaAllah.
our strawberry lemonade is ready to serve. Okay.
Okay, that. Very good, Josh.
Good.
Close.